Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question number 13 for WAEC, past question chemistry 2018. And the question goes, what is the mass of solute in 500 cm cubed of 0.005 mole per dm cubed H2SO4? Given that H is equal to 1.0, O is equal to 16.0, and S is equal to 32.0. Option A, 0.490 gram. B, 0.049 gram. C, 0.245 gram. D, 0.0245 gram. So how do we go about solving this very problem? Now, to solve this problem, first of all, we're going to look at this. We're going to take it in this way. Given that we have 500 cm cubed, that is this 500 cm cubed, and this very 500 cm cube solute is found inside what? 0.005 mole per dm cubed. That is this. Now, for us to have saturation, we need to have 1000 cm cubed. Now, in what mole per dm cubed are we going to get this? So let's call it X mole per dm cubed. Now, in order for us to get X mole per dm cubed, we have to cross multiply. So we can now have this 1000 times this 0.005 all over this 500, and this will give us the molar concentration, which is 0.010 mole per dm cubed. So that's the molar concentration for 1000 cm cubed. For 500 you have 0.05 as it's given here, but for us to find the mass of the solute, we need to take for 1000, and that will give us X. So making X the subject of the formula, we can get this as the molar concentration. Now, using the formula that molar concentration is actually equal to mass in gram per dm cubed all over molar mass, which is in gram per mole of the H2SO4. So that is the relationship. So given this as the relationship, we can say that the mass in gram per mole, you don't actually know what is it. You don't know what is mass in gram per mole, which is what you are told to find. But the molar mass of H2SO4 you know, and that is molar mass of H2O4 is 1 times 2. Why do we have 1 times 2? Because hydrogen here is 1 and we have it as H2, so there are 2 hydrogens, so you have 1 times 2. Now after 1 times 2, we're going to have plus S. We've taken care of H2. S, what is S? S from here is 32, so I'm going to have 32 times how many s? We have only one s, so times 1x. Now we've taken care of x. Then let's look at the oxygen in the H2SO4. From here we can see that O is equal to 16. So we now have what here? We now have 16 into bracket. How many O do we have? 4. You can see it here. We have 4. So we write 4 here. So we'll now get this whole calculation. So this will give us x over, now 1 times 2 is 2, plus 32 times 1 is 32, then plus 16 times 4, which is 64. So we have 2 plus 32 plus 64, and that will give us 98. So that's what we have there. So in essence, we have molar concentration. What is molar concentration? Molar concentration is 0.010, which is what we actually got here, and it is equal to the mass, which we don't know. We are going to calculate this mass all over 98. So if we cross multiply, we are going to make mass the subject of the formula. So making mass, we have mass is equal to, mass is going to be equal to 0.010 times 98. So if we do this 0.010 times 98, we are going to get 0.490 gram, and that is the answer for this problem. So the answer is A, which is 0.490. So that is how you go about it. So you see the way we went through it. What is the molar concentration for 500 cm cubed? It is given. The molar concentration is 0.005. Now, any calculation in this formula, you need to get the molar concentration for 1000 cm cubed. So given that the molar concentration for 500 is 0.005, that of 1000 will be x, making x the subject of the formula. We'll get it to be 0.010. So that is molar concentration, and the formula says that molar concentration is equal to mass concentration all over molar mass. So mass concentration you don't know, or the mass of the solute you don't know. So over molar mass you calculate considering the substance you are having. You have H2 and H is 1 here. So since it's H2, we have 1 times 2 plus S is 32, which is given here. Since it's 1 here, is only 1, we have 32 times 1 plus O. O is from here is 16, and since it's 4 here, we have 16 times 4. If you add everything up, you have 98. So we have the molar concentration is equal to mass over 98. So making mass the subject of the formula, we have 0.010 times 98, which will give us 0.49. So that is how you go about this. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. Thank you, and God bless you.